In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Koinly to help you file your crypto taxes. We'll start right from the Koinly app and walk through adding your wallets, reviewing transactions, clearing any issues, and getting to your tax reports with confidence. When you first open the Koinly dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with what you're seeing. This home view gives you a snapshot of your portfolio, recent activity, and how things are shaping up for the current tax year. It's a helpful pulse check before you dive into the details. Next, head over to Wallets. This is the control center for connecting everything you use: exchanges, blockchains, and standalone wallets, so Koinly can track your activity automatically. Click Add Wallet or Exchange, search for the service you use, and choose it. And choose it. Koinly supports a wide range of platforms, so you'll likely find exactly what you need. Once you've picked a wallet, you'll be prompted to set up syncing. Autosync is recommended because it securely pulls data in the background and stays up to date. For exchanges, this usually means connecting a read-only API. For blockchains, it can be as simple as pasting a public address. If you prefer not to autosync, you can import from file instead by uploading a CSV exported from your exchange or wallet. Either way, the goal is to get accurate, complete data into Koinly without manually entering every trade. After your wallets are connected and data starts flowing, move to transactions. Here you'll see a unified ledger of everything across your connected accounts. Use the type filter to quickly narrow down trades, deposits, withdrawals, or other activity. The tag filter helps you classify special transactions, like airdrops, staking rewards, or mining, so Koinly treats them correctly for tax purposes. That tagging step can make a big difference in ensuring your income and gains are categorized the right way. Keep an eye on warnings. Clicking the warnings filter will surface any gaps or inconsistencies, such as missing cost basis, unsupported tokens, or duplicate entries. Open a warning to view the details, then resolve it by tagging correctly, adding a missing transaction, or confirming what happened. Working through these items now prevents surprises later when you're generating your report. When your transactions look clean, head to Tax Reports. This is where Koinly compiles your capital gains, losses, and crypto income into a clear summary. Review the figures, make sure the tax year is correct, and confirm everything aligns with your records. With your wallet synced, transactions reviewed, and warnings cleared, you're ready to confidently proceed with your crypto taxes.